guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another story for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created with the new Pure Cosmetics collaboration with Barbie. In the palette itself, in the packaging, everything, I'm in love with it. I got invited to their party, the lunch party, and it was so cute, Barbie themed, because hello, it's Barbie. So I created this look with this palette and other stuff from the collection. So I really hope you guys like this tutorial, and also my honest review on this collaboration is that I am obsessed with it. It's so cute. I think it's amazing that a company went and brought us the Barbie stuff, because nowadays kids, they don't really care about Barbies. All they want is their iPhone or their tablet, and that's it. I hardly see anybody nowadays play with Barbies. So I think this is cute, and like I said, the packaging, everything about this collection is just so beautiful. It's cute, pink theme. So if you guys want to try the collection, if you guys want to purchase it, I suggest you do, because I think it's a beautiful collection to have. And like I said, especially the packaging, everything is just so cute. And with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also thumbs up this video if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on my social media, that will link down below. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. Next, I'm going to take the Pure Cosmetics Make It Matte Stick. And I'm just applying this to the areas where I get oily. Next, I'm going to take the Pure Cosmetics Love Your Selfie 4-in-1 Foundation, and this is in the shade TP1. And I'm just going to take the brush and blend it out. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe concealer, and I'm just going to take my damn beauty blender to blend it out. Next, I'm just going to take the Pure Cosmetics translucent powder. Today we're going to be trying out the new collection, Pure Cosmetics x Barbie. They came out with the collaboration with Barbie, and it comes with this palette. It also comes with 3 lipsticks. It also comes with a peeling mask. They also have some lashes, and they have this highlighter. And they also came up with some nail polishes. So this is a palette. It's called Endless Possibilities. I did go to the launch, and I did get to see the palette firsthand before opening mine. And it comes with these colors, and they're really cute colors. First shade I'm going to take is going to be this top one. It's just called Fantasy. And I'm going to use it as a brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade, which is called Role Model. Next, I'm going to take Pretty in Pink. Next, I'm taking the shade right here, which is Barbie. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Dollhouse. Next, I'm just going to take a little bit more of that Barbie shade to blend out the colors. Next, I'm going to take the shade Barbie one more time and put it to the bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking the Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged Mascara. Next, I'm going to be taking the Barbie lashes. Next, I'm going to take this Pure Cosmetics Mineral Glow. Into my Perfect Selfie palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Top Notch for blush. Next, the most exciting thing that came in this collection is this signature highlighter palette. This is how it looks like, and I'm just going to be mixing all three. This is such a beautiful highlighter. And I'm also going to take it and put it as my inner corner highlight. And this is so cute. This is how it looks like. This is the packaging. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but this is the shade Classic. There you guys have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And also, if you like this video, please thumbs up. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you guys will get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.